like all the time, it's just being good. But let's get to 2022. But what if Crazy Blocks will make a new map of 2022? I hope Crazy Blocks will do it. If it already had been, I will do repeat. Okay? Now, here we go. So please, add Eerie Peaks without Halloween, please. You will keep for all the time, please. Also pull in industy. Oh, that's mine. The next one is normal. Please, just add another workshop because look, it's remade, and it's 2022. Please add it without Christmas. Here add the old Ost because look, like that song, just add it. I forgot this.
The first 37.
Now, time for hard map. So you remove autumn hideaway. Try this. This won't make you removed. I was watching YouTube to show you. I can't show you the full thing. Now, time for insane map. Just make dots give fatality Ost. Just add Beneath the Ruin 2022, but it's insane map because it's a crazy. Just play insane. Doesn't matter. Don't worry. Crazy Blocks. This is insane map. Okay? The last one is crazy map. I forgot in hard map. I forgot where Valley. Shall we look at it? Let's see. This'll be this one. Enjoyable crazy blocks. I hope you make it.